Hello friend, here is the great news that TestCase Studio Pro is available for Firefox 2 as well. So now you can use the best recorder plugin to record your steps, screenshot, screen recording and a lot more on Firefox as well. It's very simple and straightforward. The way you are using in Chrome, same way you can use it on Firefox as well. In fact, TestCase Studio free version is also available on Firefox. So if you have used it, so it is pretty much similar. So it is built on, of course, with the latest technology and latest API of Firefox, which it supports. So what you have to do, how you can get it and how you can get it started, just follow these simple steps which I'm going to show you guys. Here on selectorsub.com, go to this TestCase Studio Pro page, and here on the Pro page you will find the Firefox install link. Click on this and add to Firefox. Click on add to Firefox, add. Okay, so after adding it, of course you don't see that default TestCase Studio Pro logo here. So what you have to do, same thing like you do in Chrome, you have to pin it to toolbar. Click on this setting here and pin to toolbar. Another important setting which you need to do on Firefox is that you right click on the extension logo here and click on manage extension, click on permissions, and here you have to allow this permission, like access your data for all websites. You have to turn it on so that it will start recording. Like if you don't have this on, it will not work on Firefox. So this is important thing. It was not like by default in older version of Firefox, like with the manifest version 2 of extensions, this permission was by default on, but in the manifest version 3, Firefox has make this permission mandatory to made this permission optional, and it asks user to turn on. So definitely this is required, because if TestCase Studio or will not have this permission on, then it will not be able to record the actions and screenshot, etc. So definitely this requires the permission. Okay, done. So we are all set now, and of course you will have to take the subscription to use this TestCase Studio Pro on Firefox. So what you have to do, like if you click, so here it will ask you for the email and password. So for that, what you do, you have to compare and take a plan. So from here you can check out like whichever plan suits to you. That's like very simple and straightforward. After that you will get the login credential, and with that you can log in here, and then you would be able to use the TestCase Studio Pro here. Like let me just log in here on this screen, and then I will show you how you can like use it. Okay, so now we have logged in. So here in this like TestCase Studio Pro, let's open a website which we want to open, anything, and now click on the TestCase Studio Pro logo here. You will see the window is open, and we have in fact added a lot more features as well. Like now you can download the recorded test case in doc format as well, document format, and all those things are there, whatever you have in Chrome. So here you can, let's say you are searching for testing daily, click on this logo and all those things. So it will be recording here. So you can see that things are recording. Whatever you are able to do it on Chrome browser, same thing you can do it here. You can see all the information here, like browser, OS, resolution, time, and you can like simply download or like in any format. And download, of course, it will come here on Firefox, like here. So this is how you can use TestCase Studio Pro on Firefox as well. You can record the screen, you can download a screenshot, you can download on doc format, and all those things are here. You can customize, filter, all the features are available here. So this is how you can get started with the Pro version on Firefox and use it. It will be very helpful, and it will definitely save a lot more time for you guys. Thank you so much.